If you're a regular golfer and you're currently experiencing knee pain, and particularly if you're in like your 60s and 70s and you've kind of been told you're potentially needing a knee replacement, or you might have even already had a knee replacement, one of the things you want to try and think of or prepare for is being able to return to your normal routine and normal playing style without aggravating the knee further and creating new injuries. So if this is you, what I normally recommend for my clients is to wear a knee brace, and then depending on, if you've had the surgery or if you're trying to delay the surgery, you want to make sure that you have the right knee brace. So if you're trying to delay the surgery, you want to make sure that you're using a brace like this. So this is the Ossa Unloader 1, and you can get a slightly simplified version to this, but this is the brace, the go-to brace when you're trying to delay the need for surgery. How it works is it has two straps on the side and quite like a rigid hinge on here, and basically if you're getting the pain on the inside of your knee, what the straps do is the straps pull the knee open from the inside so that there's less rubbing with the bone on bone and just allows the knee to be more supported. You can also wear this brace after the surgery, but you might find it's better to have just like kind of a general kind of knee compression or knee support, rather than having something that's so kind of rigid and so structured. But yeah, the key takeaway is just to make sure that you're supporting the knee after surgery, so you're not putting too much strain through the new prosthesis or the new structures through there. And if you're trying to delay surgery or you're trying to avoid surgery, you'll need something quite rigid and quite supportive so that you're not putting further damage through the knee whilst you're continuing to play golf.
Mm-hmm.
The other brace I recommend for my golfing clients is the DonJoy WebTech Performance, and the reason this is so good is it helps to really spread out the force that's built up when you're performing the swing, and it takes a lot of pressure off the kneecap, and the kneecap is one of the crucial elements of the knee. So if you can support the kneecap, more often than not, the knee is a happy, pain-free functioning joint. So this one here is probably a little bit small for me, but just so you get an idea of what it looks like. It comes with a little sleeve that you can put underneath if you find it's rubbing on the skin a bit. But basically you can see here, this is like a silicone webbing and it's very kind of mobile. So it means it'll fit most knees quite well. And it's a strap-on one, which means that you can really customize it to be how tight you would like. I definitely don't recommend runners to wear this. I've tried this when I'm running and I find that it's too restrictive, but you can see there that, that fits the kneecap quite nicely. It does bunch up here a little bit because it is too small. If it's the right size, it wouldn't do that. But basically, when you're doing like squats or you're like twisting through the knee like that, it just helps to spread the load and the force through the knee evenly and takes pressure off the kneecap so that there's not as much strain going through there. And yeah, it's just a great simple little knee brace that is very effective to reducing knee pain and supporting the knee. We do sell them here in the clinic or online, so I'll leave a link below so you can check them out. Otherwise, if you have any questions, email the clinic at info@kneepainclinic.com.au and we'll be happy to answer those questions. All right, thank you.